record of 70 films in just 30 years. Yes, she started working when she was just 6 years old, and the light of today in the midst of her relatives, her friends, her colleagues, and her fans. We remember and reminisce about her on this memorable occasion. We now begin this program with a formal and official welcome presented to all of you on behalf of the Department of Posts by the Deputy Director General, Philately, Mr. R.R.P. Singh, as I request him to kindly come onto the mic and present his.
It's really a proud moment for all of us, and especially for India Post, to welcome such luminaries on the stage today. Well, our dream has really come true today. We are amidst of stars. I find myself very fortunate to see people on the stage here with whose dreams we have grown up. Our childhood used to be sitting in the dreams woven were such that they really made us thrilled in those dark halls. The greats who are here this evening to make our evening. I welcome, first of all, a legend in his own right. You have really made our youth such vibrant and such who is not aware of Aradhana as it was in those days. Sakti Samant Saab is not new to our memories. I heartily welcome you, sir, on this stage today. We have in our midst Nimiji, whose acting we all have enjoyed, and to our people at large. I'm sorry Shashikala is not here today. We're expecting her, but my welcome goes to her too. Because that was the beginning of our breakfast, and those 15 minutes we'll enjoy his voice, and we would listen to some of the best music of that time. I mean, Samni Saab, thank you for coming here. And we welcome you heartily. Is with us. We heartily welcome her. Sonali Kulkarni ji, we welcome you. You're a rising star, and we wish you all the best. And we heartily welcome you amongst us. And India Post is proud to have you today evening. This evening has been possible with the encouragement of our Secretary Post. We were very enthusiastic, and we wanted to have a festival around it. We wanted to try a new concept. Welcome you heartily, sir.
So welcome, Mr. Singh. Ladies and gentlemen, as you see, the lovely Shashikala is in our midst now. Yes, that's the way to welcome her. Well, words of welcome are always very beautiful, but they become even more meaningful when they're reiterated with the most eloquent messengers of emotions and thoughts. None other than beautiful, colorful, fragrant flowers. And we'd like to convey our thoughts and emotions through flowers to our very distinguished guests on the stage. Our venerable chief guest, the legendary filmmaker and actor, Dr. Manoj Kumar. May I request you to kindly present flowers to him, please. One of us, but coming all the way from Delhi, our very special guest from the capital, Shri I.M.G. Khan, Secretary, Department of Posts, Government of India, kindly presents. We have in our midst the renowned producer, director of Indian films, Shri Shakti Samant, and we'd like to say it with flowers to him as well. And you see before you none other than Nimiji. I think she worked with Madhubalaji in some films. I think it was Amar, wasn't it? That we saw them together. We'd like to say with flowers to her as well. Shashikala ji, it's lovely to see you. You just good to have you here. I think these flowers will match you in some way or the other. And we have today being represented by none other than Sonali Kulkarni. And as charming as any one of them, Sonali, thank you for being with us. Very talented actress of today. Another legend in his lifetime, जिनकी आवाज़ ही उनकी पहचान है, श्री अमीन सायानी. And last, but certainly not least, someone who reminds you day in and day out of Madhubala herself, her own sister, Madhur Bhushan. She's as Madhur as her name is, ladies and gentlemen. It's delightful to have her with us. And now we'll have the ceremonial and symbolic inauguration of the function in our own colourful and traditional Indian manner by requesting the dignitaries to give light to the auspicious brass lamp. I will request Sri M.P. Rajan, Chief Postmaster General, Didn't I say she doesn't look a day older than when she stopped working? Shashikala, very much there. Sprightly and full of verve.
हाँ जी फिल्म
Thank you very much, distinguished guests. Thank you for this gracious task. I request all of you to kindly take your places back on the dais. This is entitled Maha Film Pex 2008, and I will request Sonali to kindly do us the honor of releasing it. We have a directed amongst the lensmen. Thank you so much. You know, my dear friends, lots of people are behind you and can't see a thing what is happening on the stage because of this beautiful wall that you created. Ladies and gentlemen, we all know that she was a legend on cinema. We have to see her to be created in her honor by the Postal Department. And before we see it, I will request Nimiji to kindly do us the honors of releasing this very special DVD. Nimiji, ये एक DVD निकाला गया है मधुबाला जी पर. आपसे दरखास्त है कि अपने हाथों से इसका विमोचन कर दें, इसे रिलीज कर दीजिएगा. और DVDs की कॉपीज हमारे डिस्टिंग्विश्ड गेस्ट हैं जो स्टेज पे, उन्हें भी भेंट की जाएंगी. Her beauty was absolutely legendary. There are no doubts about it. Look at that photograph behind. It's so gorgeous, so very beautiful.